Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another vid with me, Benidorm Crazy Marcus. So, as you all know, the November Pena Fiestas are coming up. As I've said a few times, the Penas are just friend groups, and it's basically just about having fun, really, getting drunk with your mates, and what the Pena Fiestas do bring is a lot of noise, and yeah, by that I mean partying, but I also mean fireworks. Now, this is the fiesta where the English find it a bit mad, because I mean, you see little, like, 5-year-old kids, 6-year-old kids, like, running around with boxes of firecrackers, just setting them off, having fun, which is quite mad. I always have some fireworks. This year, I've got a few more. I've gone a bit over the top this year, maybe, but let me show you what I've got. So, I've been to the shop called Pyro Shopping. They are a great shop, guys. There's one in Benidorm, and I think there's some in Madrid, Tenerife, I think, other places. So, first out the bag. I'll show you in a minute once I put my bag to the side. So first out the bag, this little wooden box says La Daria, which I think could mean firework, I'm not sure yet, but it's one of the boxes you see all the peñas have. They like put a string through it, carry it like that one, the net with all the fireworks in. Sort of 3 laser cutted box, and that comes into boxes. Hang on, once I've got them out. You get some stickers to decorate it with. Big sticker sheet there, really nice. And then you got your cord there, little red cord to sort of tie it through, put it round your neck. And of course, all in Spanish, as you can see, laser cut it into the sort of bit on top. You have got the instructions on how to use fireworks safely, so there's no sort of mishaps. I'm going to put that to the side and leave it open, because what I'm planning to do is, as I get fireworks out, I'm planning to like, put them in there maybe. I'll keep my sticker sheet out as well for later to decorate it. Actually, I'll leave that there as well. So, on to the fireworks now. I've got some of these. They are Tracker 40 Cobras. So, like, firecrackers are pretty much like a line of firecrackers. Just take the wrapper off, like, put it on floor, light the fuse, and I just go off in the line. I think I've got maybe 2 packs of them, or no, hang on. 3 packs of them, 3 packs of 40 trackers, I think, maybe more, not too sure yet. Okay, I'll go big next. I'll go big. I have got this big box, right? big box of stuff. It is called Maxi Mix 34005. Let's see what's in the box, if I can get it open. Which I can't. Or can I? There we are. So, in the box, what do we get? We get this. This is a fuse string. Helps you light fireworks better. May use it, may not use it. We may just stick with the gas lighter. We have got these, some Granada crackers. I think they're going to be like firecrackers. Just light it, throw it on floor. That's going to be fun. I may open them to like pour them into my box just so I can make sure everything fits in there. As you can see, that's what they look like. Fuse on top, light it, throw it, and leg it, as I say. I'm looking forward to trying some of this stuff, because some of it's stuff I've not used before. Of course, old school cracker bomb bags. Absolutely love these. Used to have them as a kid all the time. Like if I go camping up at a place called Sidif, like down in Cumbria, used to get tubs of these, just like one, throwing them on floor. Brilliant. Got 2 packs of them, 2 packs of the little crackle bag things. A pack of Canicas Especiales. What will they do? I don't know. Maybe they're like flash balls or something. That's them. I think they may be going to be like a little crackle ball. You light the fuse and maybe it crackles, sends a few sparks off or something. We'll have to see. Next up at the bag, at the tub, 50 cobras, some more mini firecrackers. Or are they? Yep. Mini firecrackers, there they are. Gonna just pour them out into the box, like so. Then next up we've got a 100 pack of ninjas. Gonna just leave them in the box because they've all the powder in them. I don't know what else to get at next. Next up is a pack of 50 Coserillos, more firecrackers. I think you probably are getting a mixture with these. Like some's going to be loud, some's going to be quiet, which just makes it awesome, really, because the fireworks shop we use, I do a mixture of like your loud firecrackers and quiet ones. They're a decent size, guys. They are going to be pretty loud, I imagine, when you set them off. So far I think it's a good value sort of box. I'll just quickly shove them out of the way on floor. Box of 50 Buccaneers. I think they're going to be like your smaller firecrackers as well. Box of 50 Piratas. More smallish firecrackers there. I'm hoping I can shut my box after. I might sort of leave some in for like when I need them. Some super masqueraders, 25 in a box, so they're gonna be allowed ones. And another pack of string firecrackers there as well. Tracker Mandarin, Chinese firecrackers. Onto more stuff in the bag. Pack of Mega Tracker 250 picos. Big firecrackers gonna be loud then. Shove them down on floor for a minute. Got a load of string firecrackers, saltarinas. Tracker Mandarin as well. Another pack of Tracker Mandarin. Just tons of that string firecrackers. It is going to be a good fiesta this year. Another pack as well. Then on to some mini bomb bags there. 50 agitos, mini bomb bag type things, like your snap crackle bag type things we used to have when we were kids. And that's it really. So I mean, for what I paid, well worth it. I mean, if you can see that, guys, this tub, plastic tub, still full of stuff. That's still full of stuff, guys. Then I've still got like down the 250 firecrackers. I've still got some big uns left from last year, so I mean, yeah, all that can be said is I think I'm going to enjoy this Peña Fiesta this year with the amount of gear I've got. I mean, that's me. Hang on, I'll show you that better. That's me box full of gear. That's what I'll be taking out of an evening during these fiestas. Just simply shut the box and there you go. Box full of stuff. So hope you enjoyed that different that different show, sort of different video. Hopefully during Fiesta as well you may see me setting some of these things off. Yeah, can't wait guys. Do stay tuned for them videos coming soon, and as always I'll see you in next one. Adios.